Hi, my name is Joe Paonessa. I'm a lead hair designer and wig maker for some of the shows here in Toronto. I've worked on shows such as the original Firestarter and The Most Dangerous Game. I got into wigs and hair pieces about 1989. My background is not only hair salon, but theater, and I'm also currently in film. In the film industry since 2010. Well, I've had the opportunity of working with, I'm not sure I can say, but I've had the opportunity of working with some very, prominent people in the industry, and it's been a good experience.
Here we go. Joe.
Cheers.
So, cheers.
Very common. I mean, not only are they used on the main cast, but they're also used on stunt people, or what they call doubles. If somebody has to look like the actor, we usually use, added hair. Oh, it'd be virtually impossible because not everybody has the hair, the color, the quality. Sometimes the hair is missing, so you need to add hair. So it's 100% essential. I've never had that beautiful experience of happening, but I've heard where it has happened. You just have to make sure that they go on good and they don't come off. Whether it means gluing, pinning, you just have to make sure. I personally prefer human hair because you can easily style it. For me, it looks more real. At least with human hair, you can match the color easier. You can color it, style it easy. It's just a preferred way of when using hair systems. There was one other time on a show last year in 2021 where we used Superhairpieces, and again, it was for male actors, and they worked out. The one I'm using at this present time will be for a female actor. So I'm going to be incorporating it into something that I'm making, as I'm a wig builder, but I'm going to be incorporating this hairpiece into a full wig. The quality is good. The service is good. The price is right. It's just the availability, being able to, as you need something, it's easily available. I recommend Superhairpieces because of the quality of the hairpieces and the wigs, as well as the service that one receives by them. Quality of hair is very good, easy to work with, and when it comes to custom orders, you can decide what kind of density, color you want, how the hairline is going to be made, such as, we use a lot of HD lace, which is very fine, and I recommend the service and the company.